Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer faster. So in this video, I'll be explaining exam problem, and it says currently chef is currently standing at stair 0 and he wants to reach stair x, numbered x. Chef can climb either y steps or one step in one move. Okay, find the minimum number of moves required by him to reach exactly the stair numbered x. Okay, yeah, it's easy only. I'll be explaining on the board, don't worry. And let us take first input. The first line of input will contain single integer t denoting number of test cases. So int t, we are taking this t and we will be running this solve function t times, which is basically test case number of times. And each test case consists of a single line of input containing two space separated integers x and y denoting number of stairs chef wants to reach and the number of stairs he can climb in one move. So yeah, basically x and y is the input that we are taking. And let me go to downwards, and they have given 4 test cases, and in first test case x is 4, y is 2. So let me take to you the board. So in first test case, x is 4 and y is 2. What they're saying is he's standing at, let's say this is ground level. So this is a stair we can think of. They are saying there are 4 steps basically. So if you take this one, this is 1 step, this is 2 step, this is 3 step, and this is 4 step. So now chef is standing here at 0th level, and this is 1 level, this is 2nd level, this is 3, this is 4. So now in question what they have said is in one move he can either move 1 step or he can move y step. So in this case y step is 2. So now let's consider, so he can move either one step or y step at a time. So minimum number of steps we need to find in such a way that the chef reaches here. At the final he'll be here. So at the final he'll be here. So let's say now chef is moving one step each time. So he's moving 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, and 4 steps. So he required 4 moves, right? 4 moves he needed. But you need to find these moves as less as possible. So if you want to find this move as less as possible, so you want to reach the steps you need to jump multiple steps. So they've given y as 2 in the question. So I think if you try to move y steps, let's say which is 2 steps, if you are moving again, if you are moving 2 steps, you will be reaching the x level in just 2 moves, which is far better than this 4. So obviously this is the answer in our case. So I think you guys got to know how to visualize this, but how do you solve this mathematically? It's easy only. I've been solving in this series. You'll have to find only basically x by 4. Sorry, x by y. Why x by y? Because this is the number of moves, the steps that chef needs to travel, and he needs to travel in less number of moves. So if y is greater than 1, which means y taking y initially would be better. So that's why we're taking that. So 4 by 2 is 2, which is our answer. 2 in this case we're getting, which is our answer. There is one more edge case I'll be discussing in coming example. So 2 is the answer. Let's try to take this one, 8 and 3. So now if you try to visualize it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is ground level. Chef is standing here. Now he wants to move at this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is basically x, and we need to find x by y as our answer. But there is h case, in this case I'll be discussing. So now he can move either 1 step at a time or y step at a time. Since we need to we need to reach level x in less number of moves, so you will be taking obviously 3 steps at a time. So if he's here, he's taking 3 steps at a time. So the first time he'll be jumping at this position, like he'll be reaching a third level. Since he's at 0 level, he'll be reaching a third level. Again, second time he'll be reaching at level 6, because three steps is taking 1, 2, and third step will be here. So basically, you have done 2 moves. Now, if you try to take again y number of steps, that is not possible, because he'll be reaching at let's say ninth level 9 if you take one move. But he need to reach exactly, this at this position, which is x is equal to 8. He need to reach it exactly this position only. So now he will not be taking y steps at a time. He'll be taking one steps, because if he take y step, then he'll be overflowing. Basically, he'll be moving ahead of x. So he need to reach exactly x. So first, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking y steps at a time, and when it is overflowing, then you will try to take one step at a time, because you have 2 moves. Either you can take y steps at a time or one. So now he'll be taking one move and one more move, because at this position, like if you take one move 2 times, so he'll be reaching at x. So how many moves you have done? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 is answer. This is the answer in our case. But if you try to find mathematically, so x is 8, y is 3. This will give you 2, but answer is 4. So one more thing you will have to do is that answer plus equals to x modulo y. Why x modulo y? X is 8, and so this answer will be 2. X is 8 and y is 3, so its modulo remainder will be 2. So basically what you're doing, you are going 3 steps ahead, and you have reached at some position. Like if you take this 3 into 2, this will be 6. So when you take 3 steps 2 times, you will be reaching at level 6. It means that now if you want to reach at level 8, so modulo means in this case is that you need to take one steps. Now if you take one step 2 times, 1 into 2, so this is 6 and this is 2, sum will be 8, so you will be reaching at 8 position. So modulo here it is helping. Basically modulo, if you have any reminder apart from when you divide x by y, so that is the number of steps, like those many steps will be taking just one move. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. So 2 plus 2 will be again 4. So yeah, it's an easy problem only, not that hard. Basically what they have asked in question, number of moves. So let us take int moves is equal to x by y, and moves plus equals to x modulo y, and at the end we'll have to output moves. Let's try to run the code. So output we should be getting is 2432. Yeah, 2432 we have got. Let's try to sum in the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So it was easy only. Basically you had to visualize how to use this formula x by y and x modulo y. So if you could have visualized it, you could have solved it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.